Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for Meat Clown.
Medium rare chef. Where food meets fashion, you're a chef, not a chic. Wear something bold, something that's more you. Wear something cool. Wear something that makes you glad you're in the kitchen and not a beige office. We have aprons, we make hats, we sell cool pants, and we're here to de-uniform you one culinary clown at a time. Will medium rare garments make you a better chef? Probably not, but at the very least will make you a more fashionable one. How nifty. Bye-bye.
And ladies and gentlemen, showing to you what the t-shirt looks like. It is very simple, clever design, something very official, and something that you should not live without.
Very tasteful too.
Goodbye.